Hello everyone, I'm David Kenny with the Mississippi Department of Transportation. As temperatures start to drop, MDOT would like to remind you that deer will be more visible and active on roadways across the state. In fact, Mississippi averages 3,900 deer-related crashes every single year. Not only can they be costly, but also life-threatening. With that in mind, MDOT has some easy tips to help you avoid a deer-related crash this fall. Remember, never veer for deer. If a deer runs in front of your vehicle, remain calm and brake firmly. Swerving can cause you to lose control, leading to an even more serious crash. Deer are herd animals. See one deer, expect more. Remain vigilant when driving at dawn and dusk. 20% of deer-related crashes occur in early morning hours. More than half occur between 5 p.m. and midnight. At night, use high beams when no traffic is approaching to illuminate the eyes of a deer near the road. And remember, always buckle up, follow the speed limit, and avoid distracted driving. Thanks for watching, and remember you can always find more travel safety tips at gomdot.com/drivesmartms or by following @Mississippi DOT on Facebook, Instagram, and X.